Have you ever tried to send a really large file? Maybe a video project, a full photo shoot folder, or a huge presentation. WhatsApp stops you. Gmail has a 25 megabyte limit. WeTransfer caps you at just 2 gigabytes. Frustrating, right? Today, I'm going to show you a completely free tool that smashes all these limits. It's called AnyDrop. With AnyDrop, you can send any file of any size to anyone. No signup, no cloud storage, no limits. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type instantconvert.online. Hit enter and click on the first result. Once the site loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Today, we need the Send Large Files tool, so just type Send Large Files into that search bar and click on the result. That's it. Your tool is ready. It's called AnyDrop. Now you'll see a super simple interface. Just drag and drop your file or click the Browse button and select the file you want to send. And guess what? There's no file size limit. Whether it's a 5 gigabyte video or a 10 gigabyte project archive, you can send it all. Once the file is uploaded, the tool generates a unique link. Just copy that link and share it with the person you want to send the file to via WhatsApp, email, or any messaging app. On the other side, the person who receives the link just clicks on it and the file starts downloading directly in their browser. And here's the best part. The file never touches any cloud server. It uses P2P, peer-to-peer technology. That means the file goes directly from your device to theirs. No middleman, no upload to a third-party server. Now, you might be thinking, is this safe? Absolutely. This tool uses 256-bit SSL encryption. Your file is fully encrypted during transfer, so no one can intercept it, no one can steal it. Your privacy is 100% protected. So that's AnyDrop. Send large files free from instantconvert.online. It gives you unlimited file transfers completely free with no sign-up required. And the biggest win? Your data never goes to any third-party server. It's pure P2P. For privacy-conscious users, this is an absolute game changer. If you found this video useful, please hit like and share it, especially with friends who send large files every day. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Thank you for watching.